In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Cursor with an Ollama local model. First, install Ollama on your computer. This lets you run AI models locally instead of using the cloud. Next, open your terminal and download a model by running something like Ollama run Llama 3. This will pull the model and start locally. Now, open Cursor and go to Settings, then look for Models or AI Providers. Here, add a custom provider or endpoint and point it to Ollama's local server. Once that's set, switch your active model and Cursor to the Ollama one. Now when you use AI features like chat or code generation, Cursor will use your local model instead of an online one. Keep in mind, performance depends on your hardware, so responses might be slower compared to cloud models, but you get full privacy and no usage limits. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.